In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate your email reports in Trello. By the end, you'll have a hands-off report that lands in your inbox or your team's inbox on a schedule you choose, so you can stay on top of work without digging through cards every day. Start by opening Trello in your browser or app and heading to your boards view. From there, pick the board you want to report on. Choose the one where your tasks live, since the report will pull data directly from that board's cards, lists, and due dates. Once you're on the board, look to the top right and click the automation icon. This opens Trello's built-in Butler automation tools. In the automation panel, select Email Reports. This feature compiles information from your board and packages it into a clean email summary you can send to yourself or your stakeholders. Next, choose a template to get started quickly. For this walkthrough, select the Due Soon template. It's designed to highlight cards with upcoming deadlines, making it great for weekly planning or last-minute check-ins. Templates are fully customizable, so you can start here and refine as needed. Now set the schedule. Pick how often the report should go out, daily, weekly, or monthly, and choose the day and time that fits your workflow. Align it with your team's routines, like Monday mornings or Friday afternoons, and make sure the time zone reflects where your recipients are. Add your recipients by typing the email addresses of the people who should receive the report. You can include multiple recipients, and it's a good idea to keep the list focused on those who need the summary. Double check for typos so no one misses the update. Enter a clear, consistent subject line. Something like board name, due soon report, makes these emails easy to recognize and search for later. Customize the message body to provide context. Briefly explain what the report includes, call out anything your team should watch for, and set expectations on how often it arrives. Keep it concise and actionable so readers know what to do next. When everything looks right, click Schedule Report to activate it. If you'd like to preview the content first, use Email Me a Test to send a sample to your inbox and verify formatting, recipients, and timing. That's it. You've set up an automated Trello email report. If you need to tweak the schedule, recipients, or content later, return to the automation panel on the same board and adjust as needed. Happy automating and enjoy the time you'll save.